Let, Const, and var, and a solution to the Day 11 challenge of the 21-Day Coding Challenge by Lighthouse Labs. Throughout the challenge, we've seen usage of var, let, and const, but what are the differences? Prior to ES6, var was used to declare variables. To understand let and to be able to contrast it against the var, we need to understand block scope. Block scope is essentially a scope where a variable is limited to, for example, for loops, if conditions, and functions. Vars are not limited to block scope, while lets are. In terms of let variables, I like thinking of its scope as being the stuff between brackets. In addition, let variables cannot be redeclared in the same scope, a feature that will likely prevent wrong code. Var variables in this regard offer more flexibility. Const variables are similar to the let variables in terms of scope. However, const variables cannot be redefined, or rather, they define a constant reference to a value. Examples include assigning a constant value to pi, or assigning a constant variable to a car object. While we're unable to change pi or change the car object, we can make changes to the car property. Taking a const array, we can change elements, add elements, but we cannot change this variable from an array to a string. In the Day 11 challenge, I start by creating a for loop that will loop through all the objects that are being passed to us in the buses object. I create an empty object, bus arrival times, that we will use to build our returning object. Within the for loop, we create a new object based on the object's name by setting bus arrival times, bracket bus, is equal to the current bus's distance divided by the speed. Finally, we return the bus arrival times to complete the challenge. Hope you enjoyed today's video. We'll see you tomorrow.